guys, today I'm teaching you how to cook a pizza. One of these, Red Baron. Okay, well, I'm gonna get a plate now. Okay, I got a plate. Next, you take out one of them. Then, you take off the wrapper. Then, you place it on the plate. Then, you're nearest microwave. So mine's right there. You need to place it right there. Okay, it has to be in the microwave right now, so we'll just... Okay, it's in there. I had to put it for about a minute. Okay, yeah, you put it for 1 minute, so press the 1 button like this. And now we're good. And I'll get back to you whenever it's done. Almost done. Never mind, you put it for 2 minutes. Almost done again. And never mind. 3 minutes then. This is not cooked properly. I'll just see. About like that. Cook time to about like seconds. More, at least. More bubbly. Okay, now it's time to get the knife. Okay, I got the knife, the pizza knife. Okay, now I'll just cut it. And I did it. Now, enjoy. Also, don't forget to put it back in the freezer. Also, don't forget to throw away your trash. Tricks for kids.